IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How does good scenery affect your mood? Band 5. Answer.
Good scenery makes me feel happy and relaxed. When I see nice views, I feel less stressed and enjoy my time more. It helps me forget about problems.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple and clear, but repetitive. Lexical resource. Basic words like nice, happy, relaxed. Grammar. Mostly correct. Very simple structures. Pronunciation. Likely clear but limited range. Typical of a Band 5. Understandable, but safe and boring. Examiner stays awake, barely. Band 7.5 Answer.
Good scenery has a really positive effect on my mood. If I'm surrounded by nature or beautiful views, I tend to feel calmer and more motivated. It also helps me clear my head, especially after a stressful day.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, logically developed. Lexical resource. Strong phrases like positive effect, clear my head. Grammar, good control with some complexity. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5. Sounds confident and human, not memorized. Band 9 Answer.
Good scenery genuinely transforms my mood. Being in a visually appealing environment, especially natural landscapes, makes me feel grounded and mentally refreshed. It's almost impossible to stay irritable when you're surrounded by something that beautiful.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless and engaging. Lexical resource. Precise, natural language. Grounded, mentally refreshed. Grammar. Flexible and accurate. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm and emphasis. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a thoughtful adult, not a test taker. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.